fluctuating amperage in an electric stove can stem from several potential causes. Firstly, a faulty bake or broil element can lead to irregular power draw. This malfunctioning heating element could be the reason for the amperage fluctuations. Secondly, loose electrical connections can create resistance, causing amperage spikes and dips. Inspecting all connections related to the stove circuit is vital. Thirdly, consider the circuit size. Although a 200 amp main panel typically suffices for a 40 amp stove, an undersized circuit breaker or a wiring could trigger overloads and amperage fluctuations. Fourthly, if the stove features an induction cooktop, its power draw varies based on the cookware used. Fifthly, smart ovens or stoves may have features that cause fluctuations in power consumption. Sixthly, simultaneous use of multiple high-wattage appliances, such as a microwave or dishwasher, can strain the electrical system, leading to voltage drops that impact stove amperage. Seventhly, variations in the electrical supply coming into the home can also influence the amperage draw of appliances like stoves. Several solutions can be explored. Firstly, inspect and test the stove. Examine the heating elements for damage and test connections using a multimeter to identify any irregularities. Secondly, consider upgrading the wiring. Replacing the 8/2 SEU wire with 8/3 RX wire provides adequate capacity for a 40 amp stove. Thirdly, check the circuit breaker. Ensure the stove circuit breaker is the correct size and is neither tripping nor loose. Fourthly, examine other appliances. Determine if other high-wattage appliances contribute to the amperage fluctuations by observing their usage patterns. Fifthly, contact the electric company. If the problem persists, request the local electric company to inspect for voltage irregularities or other issues in the grid. The 15-second timing of the fluctuations suggests a component cycling on and off, possibly a heating element or fan. While the stove might be responsible, the fluctuations could indicate a broader electrical issue in the home. Consulting a qualified electrician is recommended for thorough diagnosis and resolution to ensure the electrical system's safety. When addressing electrical concerns, safety is the paramount concern. Always disconnect power before inspecting or working on electrical components. If unsure about any step, enlist the assistance of a qualified electrician. The electrical system in a home is designed to distribute power safely and efficiently. Over time, components can degrade or become damaged, leading to performance issues or safety hazards. Routine inspections and maintenance are crucial to prevent problems and ensure the system's continued reliability. Amperage fluctuations can indicate underlying issues that, if left unaddressed, could escalate into more significant problems. Therefore, a systematic approach to diagnosis and resolution is essential. Start by gathering information about the problem. Note the frequency and magnitude of the fluctuations, as well as any other unusual behavior. Then, begin the inspection process, starting with the most accessible components and working your way through the system. When inspecting wiring, look for signs of damage, such as frayed insulation or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test for voltage drops or other abnormalities. Pay close attention to the circuit breaker panel, as this is where the electrical system is protected from overloads. Ensure that all breakers are properly sized and functioning correctly. When testing heating elements, check for continuity using a multimeter. A broken or damaged element will typically show an open circuit. If any components are found to be defective, replace them with new ones that meet the manufacturer's specifications. After making any repairs or replacements, thoroughly test the system to ensure that the problem has been resolved. Monitor the amperage draw of the stove and other appliances to verify that they are operating within their normal ranges. If the problem persists despite your efforts, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. They have the expertise and equipment to diagnose and repair complex electrical issues safely and effectively. In addition to addressing the immediate problem, take steps to prevent future occurrences. This may involve upgrading the electrical system to accommodate increased power demands or implementing a regular maintenance schedule. By proactively managing the electrical system, it is possible to minimize the risk of problems and ensure the safety and reliability of the home's electrical supply. Regarding the suggestion to upgrade the wiring from 8/2 SEU to 8/3 RX, it's important to understand the difference between these types of cables. 8/2 SEU cable consists of two insulated conductors and a bare ground wire, while 8/3 RX cable consists of three insulated conductors and a bare ground wire. The additional conductor in the 8/3 RX cable provides a neutral return path, which is required for certain types of appliances, including some electric stoves. Before upgrading the wiring, it's essential to consult with a qualified electrician to determine whether it is necessary and to ensure that the installation complies with local electrical codes. In some cases, it may be possible to use the existing 8/2 SEU cable if it is in good condition and meets the requirements of the appliance. However, if the cable is damaged or undersized, it should be replaced with a suitable type of cable. Electrical codes and regulations vary depending on the location, so it's essential to stay informed about the latest requirements. This information can be obtained from the local building department or a qualified electrician. Failing to comply with electrical codes can result in fines or other penalties, as well as creating safety hazards. When working with electricity, always follow safe practices to prevent injury or damage. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Disconnect the power supply before working on any electrical components. If unsure about any step, consult with a qualified electrician. Electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Therefore, it's essential to take all necessary precautions to ensure safety. Here are some additional points to consider regarding the possible causes of fluctuating stove amperage. One potential cause is a faulty control board. The control board is the electronic brain of the stove, and it regulates the power supplied to the heating elements. If the control board is malfunctioning, it can cause erratic power delivery, leading to amperage fluctuations. Another potential cause is a loose connection within the stove. Over time, the connections between the various components of the stove can loosen due to vibration or thermal expansion and contraction. This can create resistance in the circuit, leading to amperage fluctuations. To check for loose connections, carefully inspect all the wiring and terminals inside the stove. Tighten any loose connections using a screwdriver or pliers. Be sure to disconnect the power supply before performing this task. Yet another potential cause is a problem with the power supply to the house. If the voltage supplied by the electric company is fluctuating, it can cause the amperage drawn by the stove to fluctuate as well. To check for this, use a voltmeter to measure the voltage at the main electrical panel. The voltage should be stable and within the acceptable range specified by the electric company. If the voltage is fluctuating, contact the electric company to report the problem. In some cases, the problem may be caused by a faulty appliance or equipment on the same circuit as the stove. This can create electrical noise that interferes with the stove's operation. To check for this, turn off all other appliances and equipment on the same circuit as the stove. If the amperage fluctuations stop, then the problem is likely caused by one of the other appliances or equipment. To identify the culprit, turn on each appliance or piece of equipment one at a time until the amperage fluctuations reappear. Once the culprit is identified, have it repaired or replaced. When troubleshooting electrical problems, it is essential to have the right tools and equipment. A multimeter is an essential tool for measuring voltage, current, and resistance. A wire stripper is used to remove insulation from wires. A screwdriver is used to tighten and loosen screws. Pliers are used to grip and bend wires. A flashlight is used to illuminate dark areas. In addition to these basic tools, it may also be helpful to have a circuit tester, a voltage tester, and a clamp meter. A circuit tester is used to verify that a circuit is energized before working on it. A voltage tester is used to check for the presence of voltage in a circuit. A clamp meter is used to measure the current flowing through a wire without having to disconnect it. When working with electricity, it is essential to follow all safety precautions. Always disconnect the power supply before working on any electrical components. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. If unsure about any step, consult with a qualified electrician. Electricity can be dangerous if not handled properly. Therefore, it is essential to take all necessary precautions to ensure safety. One last area to consider is the age of the appliance itself. A stove from the 1980s may simply be reaching the end of its lifespan. Components degrade over time, and it may be more cost-effective to replace the entire unit rather than continue to repair it. A new stove will likely be more energy efficient and have improved safety features. Before making a decision, compare the cost of repairs to the cost of a new stove. Also, consider the potential energy savings of a new, more efficient model. In some cases, a new stove may pay for itself over time through reduced energy consumption. Finally, it's worth noting that the customer's perception of outrageous electric bills may be subjective. It's important to compare their bills to those of similar households in the area. The electric company can provide data on average energy consumption for homes of similar size and with similar appliances. This information can help to determine whether the customer's bills are truly excessive or simply reflect their usage pattern. If their bills are significantly higher than average, then further investigation is warranted. However, if their bills are within the normal range, then the customer may need to adjust their expectations or find ways to reduce their energy consumption. The suggestions made are based on general electrical knowledge and troubleshooting techniques. Every situation is unique, and it is always recommended to consult with a qualified electrician for personalized advice and assistance. Electrical work should only be performed by individuals who are properly trained and licensed.